Let us solve a few questions from the TCS Ninja Smart One paper in 2022. So let us go from top to bottom. Question 16 first. A person has to cover 720-kilometer distance. If he decreases his speed by 12 kilometer per hour, he reaches 2 hours late. That means he takes 2 hours more, right? So just form the equation. You're gonna get 720 by x minus 12. If x is the speed, minus 720 by x equal to 2. So you're going to get 1 by x minus 12 minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 360. Now, if you take the LCM, you're going to get 12 by x into x minus 12 equal to 1 by 360. Use the on-screen calculator, multiply, you're going to get 1 by x into x minus 12 into 1 by 4320. Now this number is very familiar, right? Just check the factors. You're gonna get 72 times 60. So 60 is, this is basically 72 times 72 minus 12. So comparing both sides, we are getting x equal to 72, right? One of the solutions is x equal to 72. So let us run with that. So that means this speed with x equal to 72 is gonna be how much? 72 minus 12 is 60. 60 by 720 is 12 hours, and this speed would be by 72, so 10 hours. So this is the final time, right? This is the final time, and this is the initial time. So initial and final time ratio they have wanted. So 10 is to 12, which is the same as 5 is to 6. So your answer would be option C. All right, now question 14. It's time and work. A and B working alone can do a work in 8 and 5 days. So their efficiency ratio would be 1 by 8 is to 1 by 5, which is equal to 5 is to 8, right? So 6,500 is paid to them together. The share of B would be proportional to the amount of work he does. So the share of B would be 8 by 5 plus 8 into 6,500. Now this is 13, cancels 500. So B share is 4,000. 4,000 is option C. Right. Question 6 now. Let us shorten the names. B, P, R, and K. The shopkeeper initially had 400 cookies, right? 15% cookies are sold to B. So how many cookies did B buy? B bought 15 times 100 into 400, which is 60. P bought 20% more than B. So 1.2 times B, which is 1.2 times 60, which is 72. And R bought 40%. So 40 by 100 times 400, which is 160. Remaining cookies were sold to K. So what is the total here? 132 and 160, 292. So I did K by 400 minus 292 equal to 108. So that means K bought 108 cookies, option A. All right, question 1. Question 1 is a bit complicated. So this part divided by 11, you have to use the binomial theorem. So 13 to the power 83 can be written as 11 plus 2 to the power 83, right? Now, upon dividing by 11, all of these portions will be divisible by 11, right? Because 11 is already there. So we just check 2 to the power 83 by 11, right? Now for 2 to the power 83 by 11, we have to similarly decompose it into this format. So how are we going to do that? 2 to the power 83, write it as 2 to the power 80 into 2 cubed by 11. 2 to the power 80 can be written as 2 to the power 5 with power 16. 2 cube is 8, right? This portion you can write it as 32 to the power 16 into 8 by 11. 32 to the power 16 can be written as 33 minus 1 to the power 16 into 8 by 11. Now for remainders, all the powers of 33 here, all the powers of 33 will be divisible by 11. So we just have to care about the powers of minus 1. So the remainders would be minus 1 times 16 by 11. The remainder here times 8 by 11. Right? So here the remainder is 1, here the remainder is 8. So the total remainder will be 8. And your option C. So from the paper, we have selected 4 random questions and solved. Now I'll see you again when I solve the next paper of slot 3.